Hi guys, I'm Jen. I'm your Vice President Heath Park of the Students' Union for this academic year 2018-19. This means I was elected to represent you and work to help improve your student experience. I can help with anything related to your academic course or general student life. If you come to Cardiff University as part of the healthcare, medical, dental schools, then you're lucky enough to be based at the Heath campus. This video will give you an overview of what services you can access at the Heath and general information about the Heath Park campus itself. Here is the IV lounge. Here you can eat, study and find your dedicated Students' Union hub. Here you can meet with our student advice team, join sports clubs and societies, sign up to our free job shop service, purchase branded Cardiff University clothing and so much more. Don't forget you can still visit the main Students' Union building in Campws as well. Down the corridor from the IV lounge you'll find the Students' Union common room with lots of seating for eating, studying and relaxing. Opposite the common room there's this meeting room which you can book out for group study. This is the Cochrane building, which houses the health library for all students on the upper floors. It's open 24/7 for all students and has a number of study rooms. This is the Griffith building, where medical and healthcare students will often have lectures and tutorials. This building is Dewi Sant and it houses all healthcare subjects. Lecture Theatre 2 is on the basement floor as well as a number of teaching rooms on all floors. On the 4th floor of Dewi Sant there is another common room for all healthcare students. Up the stairs is Cardigan House, where you go for your vaccinations before starting placement, and more importantly houses the university student support services, from counselling and wellbeing, international student support to advice and money. We're now in the concourse of the main hospital, and here is a great place to grab a coffee or light lunch. And further along, through the hospital on the first floor, you can come for a more heartwarming meal here in a Campws. Here at the back of the hospital is the Education Suite, with Lecture Theatre 1 here and Lecture Theatre 4 downstairs. There's also a number of seminar rooms here, and a common room for you to use 7 days a week, just along the corridor. Just across the road from the Education Suite, you'll find the School of Dentistry, where there's the Undergraduate Student Centre, the locker rooms downstairs, and the Dental Hub. Here there is a kitchen and a common room where you can put your feet up and chill during breaks. The Brian Cooke Dental Library can be found on the 4th floor, open Monday to Friday, 8:30 till 5 p.m. There are many ways to travel to the Heath site. Students that live in Campws or neighbouring areas can walk here in 15 to 20 minutes. There is long stay and disabled parking at the main hospital site and a small car park next to the 3G pitch in the Heath Park. You can check Google Maps for the best bus routes from the city centre and surrounding areas. And for those of you who plan to cycle, this is where you can lock up your bike. It's only an 8-minute cycle from the main Students' Union in Campws and less than 15 minutes from the city centre and all university student accommodation. If you don't own your own bike, you can sign up to the Cardiff's Next Bike Hire scheme for free. So that's your Heath campus. Make sure you keep up to date with events, news and information by following us on social media. And if you ever have any questions or want to chat about anything, please don't hesitate to get in touch.